Hey there, welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make wholesale discounts to different customer groups. For example, you have customers like gold, silver, bronze, these type of customers you are tagged, and you make wholesale discount for different type of discount groups. For so we had a solution. We found an app called BTB Wholesale Discount. I added this app description. I added the app link in the description of this video so you can check it out. So what you do is after installing the app, you create a customer group. So basically for bronze, you copy bronze, and this is the section where you're selecting the customer with tag. So this is the tag I given. So if you check this one, okay, this is the brown stack. We copy that thing and we are going back to this, and you can apply different products, all products, or anything. So I'm just giving for all products. You can create percentage discount of fixed discount or volume discounts. For now, I'm creating 10% off for bronze customers and not setting any minimum purchase amount. I'm making it saved, right? So this is the one customer group I made. Then I'm making it the second customer group. It can be gold, right? Gold custom group, and we are using the customers with gold tag, right? And for gold customers, I'm giving 30% off. I'm saving it, right? And we're creating one more one which is silver, right? And I'm using the customer with customer tag silver, right? And giving it all products, and the percentage is 20% off with no minimum purchase amount, and saving it. So we made three type of customer groups and three discount for that. So now we are going to test it on our online store. So for this, first thing, I'm copying the email ID of this gold customer. If you log in, it will automatically apply in the card pages, but if you're not logged in, it's fine. You can, when you give this one, it will be applied on the checkout itself. So for example, I'm making it 3 and trying to check out, you can see now discount is applied. But if I give the gold one, so this is the gold one, it's 30% off, right? And if I give the bronze one, I'm copying their email ID and giving it for bronze one, then you can see we made bronze 10% off, it's applying. And let me show you with the silver one also. So the silver one is this one, and they're getting 20% off for this particular product. So this is how we can easily make the discounts for different customer groups, and if you need to edit the discount, that's also possible. And you can also create easily the volume discounts also. It can be fixed or the percentage one. So for example, if they buy 10 products, then 10% off. If they buy 30 products, we can give 30% off, right? You can easily create this type of thing. So I hope most of the wholesale customers will be helpful to control their wholesale discounts. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Also attach the app link in the description of this video. Thank you.